Good morning, wherever you are. This is Oberate Cleaning Services. As you can see, today we are here in Eastleigh. We've come to do car interiors cleaning services. You can see there, my colleague is over there. And this is the state of the car before cleaning. You can see how littered and dirty it is. But by the end of our cleaning, we do assure you that it will be in its best shape. As Oberate Cleaning Services, car detailing section, we do offer professional car interiors cleaning services that is mobile within Nairobi and in Kenya at large. So out there and you have your car that is messy and needs our attention, you can kindly get in touch with us for professional interiors cleaning services, and we will offer the best service that we can. These are the interiors of this particular car. I can show you the roof over there. It's also not in a good shape, and we guarantee you as our customers, upon our cleaning, you'll see a big difference in our services. Not only this service that we do provide other services in the cleaning industry. That is sofa cleaning services, carpet cleaning services, fumigation and pest control, post-construction cleaning services, office cleaning services, among other services that you may need. So you can reach out to us at Oberate Cleaning Services page on our various Facebook page. We do have various social media accounts. On Facebook, we do have Oberate Cleaning Services. On Instagram, Oberate Cleaning Services. LinkedIn, Oberate Cleaning Services. And in TikTok, we do have Oberate Cleaning Services. All social media accounts, you will get us there. We do promote our works there, and if in need of any of the services, matters related cleaning, kindly get in touch with us at Oberate Cleaning Services. For more insights on the same, visit our website, Oberate Cleaning Services, and leave your request or anything that you may need Oberate Cleaning Services to do it for you. Thank you wherever you are. Kindly share our work, and may God bless you. Thank you.